And if you can give me also a raise of hands of who is using Xray or knows about Xray. Okay, so that's about 50%. Awesome. So today I will tell you just a little bit more for those of you who aren't familiar with Xray, and we will also talk about AI since that is the hot topic that we have been discussing. So Xray is a test management tool built specifically for Jira. So what that does is it brings the testing part of the lifecycle into Jira. And we do that because Xray actually uses Jira native issue types. And we also integrate with numerous automation frameworks, so you're actually able to trigger automated tests directly from Xray within Jira. And as you can see, these are some of the integrations that we have. We also support security tests, unit tests, component tests, and so on. And this is also some screens that we wanted to show you. We also support BDD, cucumber tests. And what Xray really does is it gives you full traceability. So you're able to trace from, for example, from the requirement, then to the test, to the execution, and all the way to the potential defect that you find in your system. And we also have numerous reports where you're able to see your test coverage, you're able to see the traceability element, and so on within our dashboard. And just a little bit more about Xray, very briefly. We are across 135 countries. We have over 100 million users, and we're very proud of what we have built. So this is what Xray looks like inside Jira. You're able to see that it really fits seamlessly with Jira. And here you're able to see inside of the Agile board all of your testing issue types. But what I really wanted to talk to you about today is AI and how Xray is incorporating AI capabilities into the tool. And so we know that AI is really changing the way all of us are working. And with Xray, we really wanted to take this seriously, and we wanted to bring AI capabilities that are truly going to positively impact the lives of testers and our users. Because we know that quality can't be an afterthought, and it is getting, it's really important because quality is expected to be delivered faster and faster. And we know that at the same time, teams are facing this increasing demand to deliver faster without really sacrificing the element of quality. So at Xray, we really wanted to bring AI capabilities directly into the product so that QA teams can have an easier time. And so we wanted to bring AI capabilities that are able to convert requirements directly into structured test cases and do this quickly. We wanted to help them uncover gaps without automatically generating test models. And most of all, we wanted to help save time on writing repetitive testers so that testers can focus on doing work that truly matters, which is exploratory testing and so on. But we always wanted to keep humans in the loop, so never lose that touch. So in this case, our AI suggests, but the testers are always the ones who choose and validate which tests to move forward with. And Xray's AI capabilities are powered by our own platform called SambiIQ. And this AI platform was specifically created for software testing and security in mind. And all of this happens inside of Jira. So let's see here, what is the first capability that you're able to do? And that is test case generation with AI. And so with this, you're able to reduce the effort of testers while at the same time increasing speed and boosting coverage. And how this works is that you're able to turn requirements into structured both manual or BDD tests with linked preconditions. And the next step is that you're able to generate full test cases, but the tester always must review, then edit, and select the steps. So that means that the AI generates draft test titles and descriptions, but you as the tester always have to adjust or choose to discard which tests you want to use. And only then can you move forward. So it saves you time, but you are always the ones who have to validate which tests you want to move forward with. And we recently ran a beta program with this, and we have some very positive results from this. So 75% of our beta testers said that it was very easy to use. 80% said that it covered important requirements, and 80% as well said that the AI created useful edge cases. So for us, these are the kind of results that we like to see and that we know we are in the right direction when it comes to AI. And so the next feature that we wanted to share about is AI test model generation. And this is exclusively available within the Xray Enterprise, the enterprise version of our software. And what this does is that the AI test model generation automatically creates visual models of your system directly from the requirement content. And with these systems, these models, the teams can gain deeper insight into the system behavior. You can really identify gaps in coverage, and it helps you visualize how your testing maps back to the system functionality. And this really helps ensure that your tests are both comprehensive and aligned with what your system actually needs to deliver. And this was just a little bit of an introduction into our AI capabilities. At Xray, we really believe that quality is about being able to assist testers, and that's exactly what we want to do with our tool. And that's why our AI capabilities are really there to assist and never hinder. And most importantly, it's always keeping the humans, the tester, at the center of it all. So thank you so much. I wanted to let you know that you can always stop by the Xray booth. We're over there by the expo. Feel free to stop by if you want to learn more about Xray or have a demo. We're very happy to talk to you about it. We have Baby Yoda stickers, so if you want, grab one of those too. Thank you again so much, and it's a pleasure.